Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to connect a Neo4j Aura database to Linkurious Enterprise. We'll start in Linkurious to show you where the credentials need to be filled in. Then, we'll walk you through how to retrieve the database information from Neo4j Aura. If you're signing in to Linkurious Enterprise for the first time, you'll automatically arrive on a screen asking you to connect your first data source. Click Add a data source to begin. If you already have data sources configured in your workspace, open Admin and Settings, then select Data Source Management. From here, click Add a data source. On Data Source Settings, enter a database name that will be used for Linkurious Enterprise Data Source Management. Then choose Neo4j as your database type. Linkurious will now ask for three things: the URL, your database username, and your database password. Let's now switch to Neo4j Aura to retrieve these values. In the Neo4j Aura console, open your database instance. Under Connection Details, Aura provides only the Bolt URL. This is the only credential that is visible after the instance has been created. Neo4j Aura does not display your username and password in the dashboard. These credentials are only shown once, at the moment you create the database. They are included inside the credentials file that Aura prompts you to download when your instance is first created. If you still have that file, open it now to retrieve your database username and password. In this file, you'll find the default Neo4j user and the auto-generated password created for the instance. Back in Linkurious, paste the URL into the connection field. Then copy and paste the username and password from your credentials file. The database name is not mandatory to connect. You can fill it only if you have changed your database name and if it differs from the one created by default on Aura, which is Neo4j. When all three fields are filled in, click Save Configuration. If everything is correct, Linkurious confirms that the connection is successful. You can then enable Search Now to index your graph data in Linkurious to be searchable, and start exploring your Neo4j data inside Linkurious Enterprise.